Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel Wise Bytes Lab. Today, we are diving into an exciting topic that can help you learn any skill with the power of AI. Whether it's mastering Excel, becoming a coding wizard, or even learning a new language, we'll show you how to leverage the amazing capabilities of AI language model. Before we delve into the subject, we kindly ask for your support by subscribing to our channel. Your subscription may seem like a small gesture, but it would greatly assist us. In this video, we'll walk you through the process using the example of learning Excel in just 14 days. The first step is to create a structured roadmap for your skill learning journey. Let's say you want to learn Excel for data analysis. Begin by asking your AI assistant to provide you with a 14-day roadmap for mastering Excel. They'll guide you through the key concepts and tasks you need to cover each day. Now, for day 1 and day 2, ask your AI assistant for the resources you need to begin. It might be video tutorials, online courses, or articles. This ensures you have a structured learning plan and relevant materials at your fingertips. With your resources in hand for day 1 and day 2, follow the materials recommended by your AI assistant and start learning the basics of Excel. Get familiar with the interface, learn how to navigate, and understand basic functions. Moving on to day 2, request your AI assistant to provide you with a dummy Excel dataset along with 30 practice questions. These questions are designed to help you practice the skills you learned on day 1. It's like having your own personal practice ground to reinforce your knowledge. As you progress through the days, repeat the process. Ask your AI assistant for resources, learn from them, and practice with relevant exercises. Each day builds upon the previous one, gradually expanding your skill set. Now, here comes an exciting part. Once you've completed your 14-day roadmap, ask your AI assistant to test your skills. You can request a questionnaire or even present a real-world use case. For instance, in our Excel example, you could ask the AI to help you solve a specific data analysis problem using the skills you've acquired. And there you have it, folks. Learning any skill has never been this interactive and engaging. Thanks to AI language models like ChatGPT and Google Bard, you have a powerful tool at your disposal to guide you through the learning process. Whether it's Excel, coding, language learning, or anything else, the possibilities are endless. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our videos. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.